Good afternoon, boys and girls. This is Gayatri, and welcome to my channel. Uh, so, today we're going to be talking about why people in the age group of 35 to 45 need to focus and buy health insurance. It's a very interesting topic if you see with the rise of COVID and other infectious diseases. The world has become an increasingly unsafe place. Personal hygiene and financial planning has become of paramount importance, and that is why I'm going to be talking a little bit about the latter. Now, people in the age group of 35 to 45 are in a very unique life stage, and that is why I think speaking to them directly on why they should have health insurance as part of their financial portfolio is what made sense to me. Now, in when you are in the age group of 35 to 45, you have your goals. You have certain goals that you have planned for yourself. You have, you have a family that you have to protect. You have a wife. You have a kid. You have aging parents, and you have certain goals for yourself, which is both personal as well as professional. And to protect these goals is the first reason why you should buy health insurance. You don't want to miss your annual vacation. You don't want to miss your child's education and use that funds for an unplanned illness, for a hospitalization that is related to an unplanned illness. Hence, a health insurance will be very, very handy when you have an unplanned illness and your goal will be protected. So the first reason why you need to buy health insurance is to protect your goals. The second reason why people in the age group of 35 to 45 need to buy health insurance is because they are in the thick of things. By 35, you already have a family. By 35, you're married, you have kids, you've risen to a certain position in your career. You have a certain years of work experience that is behind you. Now, all this has to be protected, and you have to keep, and everything has to be given the best of you. So your family demands the best of you, your job demands the best of you, and all this will happen only if you're in good health, mentally as well as physically. And I think having a health insurance plays a very important role, because at least you don't have to worry about finances in case of an unplanned illness. The third reason why people between the age group of 35 to 45 need to buy health insurance is uh, so that they can give peace of mind to people they love. As I've spoken earlier, we all have people who we care about. We all have people who really care about us, and their peace of mind is also very important for our well-being. And one way to give them peace of mind is to make sure that financially you are independent, so that they can they can be peacefully at ease, so that they can be at ease. um, you don't want your wife and kid to worry about finances when you are recuperating in a hospital because of a medical emergency. uh, the fourth reason why people in this age group should buy health insurance is because of infectious diseases. I don't need to speak about COVID and the other infectious diseases that are beyond our control. How we might take the most precautions and we might get even vaccinated, but no one will ever be able to say that I will be 100% protected from all the infectious diseases that are around us today. So that is actually one of the most important reasons why we should buy health insurance. You go to any hospital today to recuperate, even with mild symptoms, you have a significant amount of bill that gets handed over to you at the release, and you don't want to be worrying about what you don't want to be worrying about breaking an FD, or borrowing money from people or from a bank or any other financial institution while there is so much medical emergency that is already there in the family, and there's already a lot of tension because of that medical emergency. You don't want to add to that tension, so you just want to make sure that this rise of infectious diseases doesn't impact your financial well-being and peace of mind in any way. The fifth reason is because of medical inflation. Medical inflation is a term that a lot of people are aware of. It is a term that is coined to indicate the rising healthcare costs in the country and in the world. Something that will cost you, so for example, a cataract surgery, which might cost you say 100 rupees today, will cost you 120 rupees tomorrow. So that is what is medical inflation. And medical inflation is at a good 20-25% today, which means that what costs you 20 rupees today is going to cost you about 24 rupees the next year. A lot of people say that I'll put my money in fixed deposits or any other investment schemes which give you a higher return as compared to health insurance. But what they don't understand is that that money, while you might be very very disciplined and you might earmark it for health insurance, but you never know about the markets, right? You never know about which macroeconomic policy might impact markets and how the markets might behave in a particular month, in a particular year, when you have a medical emergency. So money that is required for medical emergency should not be parked in the market, and money that is reserved for medical emergency should also not be parked in bank fixed deposits, because the interest rates today are at an all-time low. You will be lucky if you get a good interest. If you will be lucky if you get an interest rate of above 6% today, and that if you compare any standard health insurance with a fixed deposit, while you may not get direct monetary benefit, there is, of course, that all products have something called cumulative bonus, which means that your cover automatically increases by a certain amount if you don't claim. So I'll be talking about these things in subsequent videos. But what we are saying is that money that is reserved for medical emergencies should not be parked in any other instrument apart from a health insurance. So the fifth reason why you should invest in a good health insurance is because of medical inflation. Also, 35 to 45 is that time where which is also the time where a lot of people in our country, with the lifestyle that we are leading today, are very very prone to getting lifestyle ailments. So diabetes and hypertension is very much on the rise in our country, and we are in fact the diabetes capital of the world. And because of these lifestyle ailments, the premium that you would pay for health insurance at 35 will be significantly lower than what you would be paying at 40 or 45, because obviously you have the age benefit as well as the benefit of being a healthier life as compared to when you would be 40. That is another important reason why you should buy health insurance if you are in the age group of 35 to 45. So all said, I think there are lots of reasons that I think health insurance is a brilliant product, and we should all make use of this product and understand the importance of that product and make it part of our lives. I have been a part of the health insurance domain for the last 6.5 years. I understand the product. I understand what consumers want from that product. I understand the pain points of consumers while buying the product, while using the product, while renewing the product, and I'll be speaking about all that in the subsequent videos. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Do like and share the video with your friends and family. Thank you everyone for being with me through the video.